Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Delta Executor like this here today. This is going to be completely for free. And what I'm going to be doing is giving away 100 free keys. All you need to do is simply comment why you want a key. I'll be putting one pinned in the comment section so the lucky person who gets that can go ahead and get that. But what we're going to be doing here today, guys, is showing you guys how to get Delta Executor on iOS and Android here completely for free without a computer, and I'm going to show you guys how to get some free keys as well. So what we're going to be doing is showing you the full tutorial of how to get Delta Executor for Roblox. This is completely safe, 100% legal, and as you guys can see, I'm going to show you guys just how easy this is actually to do, and basically show you guys how to run it, show you guys how to install it, and basically everything involved with the Delta Executor. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is get out of Roblox and we're going to go to Safari, okay? This is the official site where you can get it without sideloading and needing a computer and all that. As you guys can see, just go ahead and select iOS if you're on iOS or Android if you're on Android. Press start installation and go ahead and install the Delta installer, guys. It's going to go ahead and connect with your device. Now, all you need to do is basically simply wait for this to install. This is patching your Roblox. You need to make sure, guys, you have Roblox installed already in order for this to work, okay? So you need to make sure you have it on your device, and then we can go ahead and patch the files and get us Delta Executor. Now, like I said, guys, I am giving away a free keys in the comment section. All you need to do is simply like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment as to why you want a free key. I'll reply to you with the key, and all you guys got to do is enter that into Delta Executor and you get your free key. Now, as you guys can see, we're just going ahead and installing it right now. We're going to wait for this to finish installing. It shouldn't take too long at all, basically. And then essentially what we need to do in order to patch the files, we need to get some additional plugin files. I'm going to run you through and show you guys how to do this. It says you need 2. These are completely for free, and all you need to do is tap on them, read the instructions, and go ahead and complete these. Now, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and do this right now and show you that this does work. There's heaps of different ones. You might have different ones to me, but we're going to go ahead and do these two called Evertail and Tokyo Debunker. Now, it might be different for you, like I said before, especially if you're on Android, it's going to be a lot different, but it's going to be the exact same process of actually how to get Delta Executor installed. So you need to make sure, guys, you're going ahead and doing this. Now, as you guys can see, I've already completed these just to save a bit of time. I've already downloaded them just to, make sure this video goes quick and not wait for my internet. But you just basically tap on it, go to the official Apple Store or the official Google Play Store, get them, and then open them. And remember, these are all completely for free. Now you just go ahead and use them up. Okay, so we can go ahead and use them and make sure to read the instructions. As you guys can see, we'll go ahead and do the Tokyo Debunker one now. Wait for it to load. Shouldn't take too long at all. Okay, and remember, guys, this is the easiest way in order to get Delta Executor. It really doesn't take too long at all, and we're going to go ahead and basically get it all for free. So as you guys can see, we're doing the Evertail one now. Now you just want to kind of use them. Remember, they're completely for free, and once you've got that, the Delta Executor will install. Now we'll go ahead and install kind of like a plugin, and you just come back to this page and it's going to go ahead and install it. Okay, so once you guys have seen that, once this has been configured, it's going to say this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Just press allow. That's essentially installed Delta. Now once you go back into Roblox, as you guys can see, my Roblox game has already changed name to Delta. I'll just give it a reload. Go back into Blox Fruits or any server you want. This works on any server. Press play, and then what we're going to do is go ahead and join. And now we should have Delta Executors. Now, guys, remember, if you guys need a key for this, drop a comment and leave a like and subscribe. You'll be double your chances, I promise you. But leave a comment why you want one. I will be replying to random people with free keys, so look out for that as well. Or I'll DM you on Roblox. But yeah, essentially, guys, this is the easiest way to do it. As you guys can see, I'm just jumping around in Blox Fruits. And now we're just going to wait for Delta Executor to install. Sometimes it does take a little while to initiate, but we can go ahead, and as you guys can see, we have Delta Executor all there. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section if you guys do need any help with this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.